Welcome to the Westport Library tutorial on Heritage Quest Online, one of our genealogy databases. It contains millions of records from multiple sources for finding information about your ancestors. This tutorial will introduce you to the basic search features and the types of data you can access here. The home page shows you many of the sources in Heritage Quest, including censuses, city directories, books, mortality schedules, Revolutionary War sources, and others. You can search any of these specific resources by clicking on the relevant links, either at the top of the page or at the bottom. Or, simply click on the Begin Searching button to get started. This page gives you a complete menu of resources. You can click on any of the Search Now links, or select a specific year for the census search. You'll need to scroll down on this screen to see all the resource options. Some options are unique to the Heritage Quest database, including Revolutionary War data, Freedman's Bank records, and search books on the previous screen. Census records are one of the most basic areas to search. Records are available from 1790 to 1950. Select the census year if you know it, or click on Search Census to access all years. Enter as much or as little information as you have in the search form to identify your ancestor. Note the search tips on the right side of the page for help with your search. With some fields, you have the option of clicking the Exact box to include or exclude variations in spelling or other criteria. This feature is useful because early records may include variant spellings or errors. Our search yielded 334 results. As you view your search results, you can further refine your retrieval by using the sliders for broader to exact spelling. Try more exact if your results are too broad, or more broad if you don't get enough. You can also use the filters for location and record date range. To view a record, click on the title. To view only the original census page, click on the View link under the title. The record includes a printed transcription of the original document. You can print the document, or send it to yourself via email for your records. To see the original census record, click on the image on the left. In the original census record, you can use the control buttons on the right side of the screen to enlarge or change the display. To save or email the image, use the Save button. Books are another major resource in Heritage Quest. Here you can find details and insights about individuals, the places associated with them, and the times they lived in, often details you won't find anywhere else. Click on Search Books to go to the Family History Books and Directories page. You can search for a person or a publication title if you know it. Resources include both family history books and place history books. Under People, enter the name of an ancestor in the search form. Add any additional details you have, such as birth, marriage, or death date, or location where the person was born, died, or lived at any point. You can also add names of family members to narrow down your search by clicking at the bottom of the form. To browse or search a list of books and directories, select the Publications link on the top of the Books page. You can also use the Search Books form on the left to look for a publication. Select a publication title to view from the list. Use the Table of Contents on the right to browse and select book content, or use the search form on the left to locate a person or subject in the text. Within the book text, you can use the arrows to move forward or backward. As with the other records in the database, you can save or email the image for further use. Images include photographs, charts, and diagrams, as well as narratives. In books, you can also use the city directories search to find and track historical information about people and their neighborhoods, including addresses, area churches, and cemeteries. Click on City Directories at the top. To search, enter names, locations, and keywords in the form. For all other resources in Heritage Quest Online, you'll find the same search forms as the ones in Census and Books, and the same tools for displaying, printing, and emailing records. For more tips on doing research in Heritage Quest, click the Research Aids link. Research Aids contains general genealogy help with census data, and help for special topics. You'll also find help and context on specific pages throughout the database. And that's everything you need to get started using Heritage Quest Online. If you have any questions, please visit the reference desk or email us at ref@westportlibrary.org.